Alright, we're going to do a puzzle now.
Yeah, under the sea.
Under the sea puzzle. Alrighty.
It's under the sea.
Yeah. Well, anyway, let's see. This piece, it's gotta fit here.
Oh, no. No. I think it fits here.
Yeah, perfect. Well, I guess we'll just keep moving on with this puzzle. Alright, let's see what the finished puzzle's supposed to look like. Alright, let's see our finished puzzle. Isn't it perfect, Luigi?
Yeah, just something seems a bit off about it.
Luigi, you just haven't completed a puzzle before. You never know how it feels.
Okay.
Well, anyway, let's go to the next game. Let's clean this up.